For over 5 decades, Kinesio has been focused on improving the quality of life and mobility by developing the Kinesio Taping Method, Kinesio Medical Taping, and Kinesio Tape products. Dr. Kenzo Kase started this industry with a global network of medical practitioners. It wasn't long before the other companies started manufacturing tape that attempted to copy the essence of Kinesio and the wisdom behind Kinesio products. Through his genius and his wisdom, Dr. Kase continues to revolutionize the Kinesio brand beyond what other tape brands have been able to deliver. A new function of Dr. Kase's innovation is focused on the mature adult, men and women over 50 years old that aren't quite ready to live sedentary lives and value the experience of a brand to help them take more control over their own health. His new book, Kinesio Medical Taping for the Mature Adult, there are 142 pages that are fully illustrated with easy-to-understand step-by-step instructions for 27 taping applications. These applications are organized by relatability and real-life scenarios of mobility and discomfort issues, such as, I can't walk continuously for more than 15 minutes, or I can't cross the street like I used to. Within the book, you'll find applications for knee pain, back pain, decreased grip strength, diabetic neuropathy, swelling of the lower limbs, sloping shoulders, and difficulty swallowing, just to name a few. It also addresses limited mobility or the loss of function or movement in the body. Kinesio Medical Taping for the Mature Adult has 2 sections. The first 4 chapters focus on taping applications for practitioners, caregivers, physical therapists, and other medical staff. The advanced medical taping applications in the book can help a practitioner expand their professional experience and treatments to a larger client base, to expand their business and their revenue streams. The practitioner can also use these taping applications with other modalities to help reduce pain and the need of addictive or expensive pain medications that may induce unwanted side effects. Chapter 5 begins teaching self-taping treatments for mature active adults and their families to do at home, at the gym, on the court, at the golf course, and between doctor visits. Younger mature adults between the ages of 50 and 65 can begin using Kinesio Medical Taping for the mature adult as preventative aging measures to keep your body as young and agile as your mind and soul. Kinesio Medical Taping for the mature adult gives aging adults the ability to do the things they love. As with all of Dr. Kase's Kinesio Medical Taping applications, there is a tool. Dr. Kase developed Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape Plus specifically for the more delicate skin of a mature adult in any stage of their mature life. Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape is the perfect tool and companion for the new book, Kinesio Medical Taping for the Mature Adult. Kinesio Gold Light Touch Tape may be Kinesio's newest tape in the US, but its history dates back over 20 years in Asia. A lot of wisdom goes into Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape. Kinesio's very own biochemist worked alongside Dr. Kase in hand-picking the thread for making the fabric. Together, they used the various threads to create a unique fabric weave pattern found in Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Plus tape. They even developed in-house the unique adhesive and adhesive wave pattern inclusive of Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape in order to mimic the skin of an aging mature adult. Even the specialized backing paper is inclusive of Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape. Kinesio is the only authentic brand of elastic therapeutic taping. Kinesio has the longest experience in taping the world for health and the most science behind treating mature adults through Tape with Wisdom. Both the book, Kinesio Medical Taping for the Mature Adult, and Kinesio Tex Gold Light Touch Tape are available now through your Kinesio representative. Online courses are coming out soon, and your Kinesio representative will tell you more.